Thanks so much for tuning into Sam's Diecast. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Today we have a really cool 2021 Hot Wheels to unbox. This is from the M case, the 2Jet Z. This is in the second color, which is red, from Rod Squad number 2 of 5. And in 2017, a man named Luis Rodriguez built a car exactly similar to this, and this is what it's based off of. He called it the 2Jet Z, and it's from the 2J. It has the 2JZ Toyota Supra engine in it, and it won the Hot Wheels race in 2018. It was like a champion in that year, and we see it here in the main line. I opened a black one previously. I actually did a video on it on the previous channel, but now we're on my brand new channel, and this is the red one from the M case that we're going to be opening up. Rod Squad 2 of 5, 2Jet Z in red, second color, 94 of 250. Scored this at a Walmart a while back, well, maybe like a month back. M case GTC 41, 2Jet Z from the Rod Squad. Be the leader of the pack with this fleet of custom hot rods. Alright, let's get this open. Make sure it's a clean open. Not too shabby. Could have been quicker. And from the last one, yes, this is a metal on metal casting. Nice look at it. Nice red color. Like a shark design. It's a cool front end. Exposed axles. So if you drop this, those axles are not getting fixed. It's like a shark, like the shark teeth. You got the star there. These are DD8 wheels, blacked out with a chrome lip. I don't know what that says. There's some writing there. I don't know what that says. It says something about danger. I can't really make out what it says. Weird, but there's a nice canopy there. Loving the red color. Back of it. That's pretty cool. The base is metal. Diecast base, gloss black. 2019 copyright. Nice looking casting. Not too nice looking, but pretty cool. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.